is my new toy. Look at this, my Hello Kitty. There's inside some makeup, then let's open. There's eyeshadow, eyelashes, then where is my blush? And then my Barbie. Then let's open this, my Barbie. Barbie. Let's open it.
You remove that one. You twist. Don't know how to twist? Okay. Also the other one. The guitar? Oh no, it's not a guitar. Do like this. Oh.
Wow! Then this is my wow!
Frozen?
Yeah. And then here's the
Violin.
this is the violin. Hi, baby. And this is from my Barbie. And look at her hair, it's too long, too nice. Look at her hair. Look at the hair, it's too pretty. Now, what is this? Is this a dress? Then, where's my Hello Kitty? Right there, put this my eyeshadow makeup. Oh. Ay! Here. Ay! Morgan. Wow! Now look at this, my Hello Kitty, so cute. Look at this, my Hello Kitty, so cute. You want to eat a Hello Kitty? Sing Hello Kitty, 2 by 2 by 8. Bye.